headed to the yellow sector for Chingay. Is this our Mardi Gras? Like our version of Mardi Gras? This is like one of the first few times that we've ever been. Oh, this song sounds like a Justin Bieber song. It's a great way to remind ourselves that we need to lose some weight after. It's like if you think about it, right? Some of the acrobatic lion dancers are actually like the OG version of cheerleading. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so this is like a Western Eastern fusion. Yeah, it looks like a chipmunk. Like,
oh, they are here.
Like 5 chipmunks coming out in front. Oh wow, but he's really going at it and spinning. Try to figure out the animal. I think they're tigers. That's why they are so wild, you know.
They look like leopard though. Okay, I'm really not sure.
They're going at it like no commitment. Only committed to the spin.
Did you know the mandarin orange symbolizes good luck and happiness? 当然，过年少不了拜年啊，拜年。
Dances with their coordinated fan formations are so impressive, totally out of this world. Yes, flowers need our full attention and loving.
Vocals of a local nightingale, Joanna. Let's check out this beautiful sakuras from Japanese Association Singapore. 新加坡日本人协会。
ancient tides, the island stands, lost and we were found again. Crew the roads from barren.
And now, it's our pleasure to invite our guest of honor, Mr. Preston, to give his Chinese New Year greetings. Mr. Preston, please.
Wishing everyone, all Singaporeans, wonderful Dragon Year, and enjoy tonight, enjoy Chingay tonight. 祝大家新年快乐，心想事成，龙马精神，万事如意。Enjoy this evening, and let's have a wonderful year together. Thank you.